Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a text button in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page State. This is _My Home Page State class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, first, we call the scaffold widget, which is the base, upon which we will draw other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we use our title variable as the title of this app bar. Then we set the body attribute to the center widget. Inside the center widget, we have our text button. This is the text button widget. Here we set the button style, where we include text styles like font weight, font size, color, etc. Here we set the on-pressed and on-long-pressed events of the button. When these events occur, we show a log. And finally, we set a text on the button. Let's run the app. So this is our text button. So that's it. That's how you can implement a text button in Flutter Android. Thank you.